first night of Hanukkah. It's Ava from Whiskey with Flava on an episode of Craft It with Flava. It was so nice of PJ Library to make these awesome Hanukkah, 8 nights of Hanukkah, cool craft kits. It is the first night of Hanukkah, and I already finished the first day. Now, they all come in little bags or big envelopes. The first night of Hanukkah was a Make a Family menorah. Now, here's what I did. I haven't stuck the candles on because I was just fiddling with them. But what I did was down here, I wrote Hanukkah with, I painted it, and then I painted a cool design right here from blue fading to white, fading to gold. And then what is included is these hex knots, the wood, and some fabric glue. Well, not fabric glue, but glue. The hex nuts were donated by Duncan Bolts, and it comes with 10. Now, I accidentally threw away the 10th bolt, which was supposed to go on the shamash, but that's okay because it's your menorah, and you can make it whatever, however you want. Now, we are going to be looking at all of the days.